Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing dumplings. So stay tuned. I hope it's the gold. So I'm gonna unbox this one last because I have a good feeling about it. So I'm gonna unbox this one first. Alright, so I'm gonna look up and you guys are gonna see it. So I'm gonna take the lid off. Alright, so I think it's the water dumpling for sure. My guess is it might be a glitter dumpling, but I don't think it's gonna be like the gold one, so let's check. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I got the clear glitter! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Alright, let's open the other one and subscribe if you think the other one's gonna be gold, and like if you think the other one's just gonna be a glitter one. Alright, I have a good feeling. Alright, let's check. Okay, I'm looking up, guys, see? Alright, let's see. It's another water one. I don't know. So, is it the gold one? So subscribe if you think it's the gold one, and like if you think it's just a glitter. So I'm gonna look down in 3, 2, 1. Oh my! I'm speechless. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh! I can't believe I got the gold and the clear glitter dumplings. So I'm so happy about that. And guys, I want to show you my front handspring. I'm so excited. Ready? You're gonna do it with me. Like and subscribe. Bye.